Today we're learning how to solve mixture problems the simplest way. A 5% acid solution is mixed with a 9% acid solution. How many milliliters of each solution are needed to obtain 40 milliliters of a 6% acid solution? Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Here's the detailed explanation to this mixture problem. We will use the variable f to represent the amount of 5% acid solution. And we will use the variable n to represent the amount of 9% acid solution. And this amount are in terms of milliliters. Now we will write the equations based on the statements. The first equation is based on the amount or how many ml of each solution. In this problem, we are combining 5% acid solution and 9% acid solution to obtain 40 milliliters total. So the equation will be F plus N is equal to 40. Because we're mixing F amount of 5% acid and N amount of 9% acid to form 40 ml. The second equation is based on the percent of acid in each solution. To get the second equation, we will multiply the first equation by the corresponding percentage of acid solution. Since the variable f has a 5% acid, then we will multiply this by 0.05 or 5%, which is now 0.05 f. For the variable n, this contains 9% acid, so we will multiply n by 9% or 0.09, so 0.09 n. And for the 40, we will multiply this 40 by 0.06. Since we need to mix together to form 40 ml of a 6% acid solution. Let's simplify equation number 2 by multiplying this by 100 because we have two decimal places. 0.05 times 100 is 5f plus 0.09 times 100 is 9, so we have 9n, is equal to 0.06 times 100 is 6 times 40 is 240. So the second equation is the same thing as 5f plus 9n is equal to 240. Now we will solve these two equations simultaneously. This problem can be solved using substitution or elimination method. But the easiest method for this problem is using the elimination method. The second equation is 5f plus 9n is equal to 240. I want to eliminate the variable f, so I need to multiply the first equation by 5. And multiplying each of the term by 5, we now have 5f plus 5n is equal to 200 because we need to multiply 5 times f, 5 times n, and 5 times 40. So now to eliminate the variable f, we can do subtraction. 5f minus 5f is 0. 9n minus 5n is 4n, is equal to 240 minus 200 is 40. Now we can divide both sides by 4. So n is equal to 10. This means we need 10 ml of 9% acid solution. Now we can substitute 10 into our first equation, f plus n is equal to 40. If n is 10, this means that f is equal to 30. So this means we need 30 ml of 5% acid solution. So this means that we need to combine 10 ml of 9% acid solution and 30 ml of 5% acid solution to obtain 40 milliliters of a 6% acid solution. Now let's check the answers. Substituting 10 and 30 to the first equation, we have 10 plus 30 is equal to 40. That is true. Now let's plug in 10 and 30 to the second equation. 5 times f is 30, plus 9 times n is 10, is it equal to 240. So we have 150 plus 90 is equal to 240. And yes, it is true that 240 is equal to 240. Again, we need 10 ml of 9% acid and 30 ml of 5% acid solution. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.